Adjusting a saddle with a quick release. This is your quick release. To open it, take the lever and pull it back away from the seat post. The saddle can now freely move up and down with its seat post. This is the minimum insertion point. For safety, this should always be inside the seat tube and shouldn't be seen. Set the height and close the quick release by pulling the lever back in towards the seat post. Check the saddle isn't moving and check that it's pointing straight forward towards the handlebars. If the quick release is too tight, the lever won't close properly. To loosen it, open it fully, go to the nut on the other side and loosen it a few turns. Try again. Close it tightly, check the saddle isn't moving, and you're good to go. If the quick release is too loose, the saddle will move. To tighten it, open it fully, go to the nut on the other side and tighten a few turns. Try again. Once it closes tightly, check the saddle and you're good to go.